Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing my chibi version of Kaufmo from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve across for the top. Then from both sides, let's curve it down and in. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. We'll start with two large ovals for the eyes. And then color both of these in black. Now on top of each eye, let's draw a small triangle. And the same thing underneath. And now let's color all four of the triangles in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. On both sides, let's start with a curve next to the eyes like this. Then a U-shaped curve from the inside. And another one underneath. And now let's add one more curve inside. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw the hat. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up on both sides. And then another curve across. Now on top, let's step in and let's draw two angles up for the hat. And then add a circle at the top. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move underneath the head and let's draw the collar. Underneath in the center, let's draw two angles down and out. And then a V-shape underneath. Now let's hop out to the sides and let's draw another set of angles. And then two more V-shaped points. Now let's add one more set of angles out from the sides of the head. And then an angle back in. Now let's hop underneath and let's start drawing the body. Underneath, let's leave a small gap and let's draw a curve down and curve it into the center. And the same thing on the other side. Now inside the body, let's draw 3 circles going down the center. Now let's hop to the sides and let's add the arms. We'll start with the curve down on both sides. Then from the bottom, let's curve it back into the body. And now underneath, let's draw another curve out and back in. Now underneath, let's add the hands. Underneath from the inside, let's draw a small curve down and back up for the thumbs. and then one more larger curve to close off each hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 curves down underneath on the left, and the same on the right. And then close off the bottom of each one with a curve across. Now for the feet, let's draw a small curve from the inside line, and then a larger curve out to close off each foot. And that's it for Chibi Kaufmo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!